At any rate.
Damn.
There's still some on my camera. Ooh.
Hold up.
Hey guys, good morning, welcome back. Today I have a work order for a smell in one of my rentals. It's this unit has a grinder pump pit in it, so all the waste from the kitchen and the dishwasher, it goes to this pump and then it grinds it up and spits it out. I've had to do this before, but it's not a nice job. It's quite stinky. So over time you get grease buildup and stuff just from cooking and everything else, and it starts to stink a bit, and I got to go in there and clean it out. And yeah, it doesn't get clogged or anything, it just, you get that settlement of the grease on top. So that's the joyous job of today. So I'm gonna go grab a coffee and some stuff from the trailer, and I'll see you guys at the job. Get it!
The next episode.
Damn. I'm gonna get a bucket of water. Wash some couple things.
At any rate, grease.
I'll be back in another year.
All right, guys, I just left that house. I couldn't really talk or anything there. Hopefully I got enough footage there for a decent video anyway. The tenant was there with a young kiddo. So yeah, it was quite stinky, I'll tell you that. It was gross. I don't know if you heard me dry heave a little bit. There's still some on my camera. All right, so just gonna go order that dishwasher valve for mother-in-law, and that'll be it for today. It's starting to pick up. I got jobs coming in, so it'll be good for the weeks to come. As far as this video, I'm out. Get it.
Hold up.